Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got an unboxing for you guys. It's the BeautyFix by Derm Store and it's for the month of June. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I've done a BeautyFix unboxing. It has been a crazy couple of months, but I'm back to it and I like doing these unboxings. I like watching unboxings, but again, I like doing them to see what's in here. There could be a new product that you like, and there could also be some products in here that you're looking at it like, okay. But before I open it, let me tell you about the price. This subscription box costs $24.95 a month for a year, or if you like what's in this month for June, you can get just a one-time purchase of, I believe, $34.95 for just this box. And they usually have at least 6 items in here, and one item should be a full size and it will cost more than the subscription box itself. But anywho, I'm back to it and let's go ahead and open this box for June. Healthy skin and hair begin here, and here's a little pamphlet to let you know what's in here. Ooh, it's nicely packed. Okay, for the month of June, we've got Beach Beauty, sun-kissed skin, salty hair, and sandy feet. There's no time like the summer. Whether you're planning a 5-star beach vacation or have a spot picked out at the local pool, here are some few beauty essentials that can make your chill summer days even better. And there's what the pamphlet looks like. And on the back, there is a code, 20% off. I believe it's, yeah, right here. So if there's any full-size product that you like from this box, you can get the 20% off discount. All right, let's go ahead and pull out the first item here. It's by Murad, and it is the Essential C Cleanser. Nice deluxe sample size of this one. And it says here, summer in a cleanser. Brighten and purify your complexion with powerful vitamin C. And really do like vitamin C because it does brighten up my skin, and it's clear. It's got really cool bubbles in there too. All right, next, my favorite hair brand, Briogeo, Farewell Frizz, Rosacor, I believe that's how you say it, Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Keep dry summer hair frizz-free with this lightweight leave-in conditioner. Okay, because my hair does frizz in this humidity, so this will be nice. Can't wait to try this one. All right, next you have a small sample by Kula. It's a Skinny Dip Sheer Mineral Lip Lux, 70% organic. Cool. Protect your lips while looking poolside chic with this gorgeous color. Oh, okay, what's the color of this? I guess it is called Skinny Dip. Maybe it's the color of the box? Okay. That may be a little light for my skin, so probably this will be going in a future giveaway. All right, you got something really cute here. Love Sun Body. Really good sample size of this one. And it's 100% natural origin mineral sunscreen. Okay. I hope this one doesn't leave a white cast. It says apply and jump in. This quick drying waterproof sunscreen is ocean friendly. Has an SPF of 30 and it says it's slightly scented with vanilla. No, I really can't smell it. But I'm sure when I put it over my body, I will be able to. But all right, oops. All right, can't wait to try this one. All right, I see a small sample here by Peter Thomas Roth. It's a cucumber mask. I've tried this before, and it's very nice and cooling. It's to soothe sun-soaked skin with this cooling and calming mask. Okay. All right, I see something big here. This is by Color Science. All right, I know what this is. This is the Brush On Sunscreen. What shade is this one in? Does it even come in this shade? I don't see it. Let me open up and see what it is. But it's the Sunforgettable Total Protection Brush On Shield, and it has an SPF of 50. Cover imperfections and shield skin with this innovative mineral powder sunscreen. And I think they had one of this one last year, and I'm halfway done with it, and it's really nice. It's something that I'll put on with a light moisturizing skin tint, one of my favorites by Jouer, and then I'll put this one over it, and I'm good to go. This is in the shade medium, and I believe this is a very pricey item. I want to say it was something about maybe $60. Let me check. Wow, this product is $65. Wow. So pretty much this box is paid for it within itself, and I see another full-size product in here. All right. Yeah, this is the last product, and it is a full-size product. It is by Naya24, Age Recovery for the Décolleté and Hands. And you know what? This one was in the box years ago, and I finished it last year. And I remember I had this one by my bed. Whenever I'm about to go to bed, I will, when I get into bed, I will put some lotion on my hands. And this one was really nice. It had a nice slip. And the scent was okay, but I really did like how it made my hands and décolleté look and feel. So I'm glad I got another one. Let me look and see how much this one cost. Wow, this product right here is $60. It has 5 ounces of product in here. Yeah, this is $60 and the color science is $65. So this box, these two products have paid for this box 3-4 times fold. Let me see what it looks like. It says to repair sunburn and damaged skin with this intensely moisturizing cream. Yeah, you're getting a good amount of product in here, and Naya 24 is really nice. It does have the Pro Niacin formula in here. Yeah, I'm glad I got another one. I am glad I got another one. All right, we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. 2 of them are full-size products. This one here by Naya 24. Let me take it out. This one by Naya 24, and this one by Color Science. So yeah, the rest are, deluxe sample sizes. But yeah, I am happy with this box. This is a nice box. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.